Hey friends, if you wish to change the default font and size in Outlook, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Outlook in the Windows search bar and then open Outlook. Click on New Mail. Okay, now let's say that you wish to send an email. Wait, I will expand it a little. Okay, now when you expand it, you'll find the option to change the font and the size of the font as well. Okay. So this is how you can change the size of the font. Now I'll show you once again. When you click on new mail, you won't find these options. Click on this option to open in a new window. When you open in a new window, you'll find both of these options at the top. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.